Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A16 5G and let me share with you how to force restart your device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. All you have to do is to press the power button, which is located right here, and the volume down button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. As you can see, this is the same combination of keys which you will normally use for the screenshot, so probably it will be taken, of course. So now let me press both of those buttons together. Right now we've got this menu, but let's ignore it. As you can see, we've got black screen. Right now we've got the developer's logo, so we can release the fingers, and this is a way of safe way to force restart your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.